welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we're going to do a little sanding in the basement bedroom, and I've picked up, they call this the Vacpole dust-free drywall sanding kit. It's by the company called Richard, and they make all sorts of paint and drywalling sort of stuff. I believe they also do like wallpapering things as well. A lot of tools that way. So anyway, that's the company. This one in particular is the Vacpole. They had a couple of different kinds. Well, they had three different kinds actually. They had one small sanding block size, say the size of your phone, and then they had the bigger size. Now, I think they've come up with a new size. These are what I bought the last time I did it. This would be like a pole sander. You put it on a pole and you can sand your ceiling and walls. And then this one would be the hand sander. So what they've done is they have a pole sander version, this is a Canadian price, $49.95, and then the hand sander one, which would be like this with a handle, that was $39.95 or $99, whatever the case may be, and then the other one was like $29 bucks. But the other one's kind of useless, well, for drywall anyway. Maybe if you have another application it'd be great, but not for drywall. Anyway, so we're going to open the box, see what's inside. It says it's supposed to have, does it have the parts list? Vacuum hose, 2 size hose adapters, a medium sand screen, and a connector, and the instructions. So let's open it up, see what we got here. So wow, that is bigger. So that new sand screen is bigger than my old ones. Look at that. So if I want to use sand screens again, I've got to buy a bigger size tool. That really sucks. Or I have to find somebody that has a smaller size. So this is a 150 grit, and I bought some of these. These are 120 grit. I'll probably use the 120 for the first coat anyway. So here's the hose, which is really kind of small. I'm not sure if I'll be able to use it with my bigger vacuum. Then we have the 2 hose adapters, so it'll go down to a smaller vac, or it'll go to like a bigger vac, which is what I have. And yes, it will fit. I might be choking this one out, but we'll see. We'll try it and see how it works. Again, so here's the attachment, and the attachment has the hole for the pole and the hole for the vacuum. So you put this in here, and you tighten that up. So tighten that up. Come out. Alright, so on the bottom of this it has I don't know what really to call it. It's like a tire track, and it's got all these little pathways basically that the dust can get sucked into and travel up through and then get sucked into the holes, which of course go out through to your vacuum, right? So we're going to try it out. I've got my sandpaper. Well, this is neat. Okay, you see this thing? You put your sandpaper under that and you trim. Wow, that's nice. They said it was easy. I like the old ones better, I think, but that's not bad. I don't mind that at all. It's got like a cam lock on the thumb screw. Alright, so we'll take the sandpaper. I have the sandpaper taped together. Nothing could be easy. Why the hell would you tape it together? So it doesn't have a spot that shows you how much you have to tighten up. So it's kind of trial and error. So basically, this spot right here where that's got the little divot, I'm going to move it right to that divot. Not all the way down, but just till the screen catches that, or the clamp catches that. Clamp it. Pull it tight. Feed it in the other side. That's not too bad. Alright, tighten the clamp down. And that's what it looks like. Alright, so what we'll do now is we'll get our pole. We'll put the pole in. I've got my extension pole here. I'll crank that in. And then put the hose to it. Put the hose on. Okay, tighten that up. Okay, let's try it. We'll start with a wall. And I'll try to give you a good view of it here. And then I got to put on my mask and stuff, and it's going to get a little noisy. And turn off the microphone. So we'll try that. So, yeah, worked ridiculously well. So what I'll do is I'll turn the camera and I'll show you the dust that's on the floor, and then I'll show you hand sanding and how much dust is on the floor. So here, I'm just going to push the camera over here. Not much dust is there. Not a whole lot. Right? This is a clean spot. So I'll do over here where it's clean. So I'm going to turn off the mic again. So it's awkward, but it works. And you can see the difference here. You see the wall has all the dust on it from where I went, and over here there's no dust on the wall at all. So over here on the ground where I sanded along, there's not too much, and where I sanded by hand, there's a giant pile. So alright, so my final thoughts on the product. It worked just like it said it would work. It was very impressive. I did find it awkward, so that is a major detraction for me. I don't really like sanding, so making this product helps to keep it clean, but it doesn't make it more convenient for the user. So it's a little less convenient, but it's cleaner. So it's up to you, like what you're really interested in. Another thing that I found with this is that it was difficult to get into certain areas. So I would recommend, if you're just going to buy one, to buy the hand vac one, because I think personally for me, I would get more use out of that than the pole vac, but you know, it looked like a good idea, so I got this one. Anyway, so yes, it is a good product. It works just like it says it's going to work, but it's not as convenient. All right, so there you go. You kind of have to weigh the good with the bad. If it's something that you're going to do a lot of drywalling and stuff, and something that you might want to add to your arsenal, great, you know, but you can't do everything with just this one product. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, thanks for watching.